Another model railroad special presentation.
So again, the trick is using a little graphite powder. All right, just artist graphite powder, no more than a pencil lead powder, and it's very, very fine, so you don't sneeze on it. But what I'm doing on my weather models before I do the final seal of my decals and all that in my graffiti decals, what I do is I go and I rub. You can use gloves too. See what it does? You see that metal look? It's like a metal sheen, and that's all I'm after. Just a slight, I mean, it's real light. You don't want to like rub it hard. Yeah, my fingers got dirty. I had a glove on, but it's really whatever you feel comfortable with. And again, you just very light touch. All right, do that with some lead. I mean, really light touch. Not a smear. We're not weathering it again. Now, weathering is finished. What we're doing is we're just putting a sheen on it. Now look at this door. Watch. And you can see the metal sheen properties take on. And then when we seal it, it'll cover up like that sheen you see on the decals. You won't ever see that. But I'm just rubbing the ribs here. Okay. And that's really all I do. And it looks like metal. All right, that's my tip of the day. Hope that works. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take clear sealer like this, okay, and seal all that in, and it'll hold that metal sheen look. So when your car goes around the track, it'll look like it's metal. All right, and you also want to do it like right here. Watch as I rub it. Not very hard again. Look at that. See the sheen? See the metal sheen there, like worn paint? See that? All right, guys. I hope that helps. What you do is you rub it on all the corners. All the corners. Not very hard. We're not weathering again. We are putting on just a simple corner sheen, okay? You can also rub the, actually take a brush to this and put that on there like that. All right, hope that helps. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Turns out really good. Here's another box. You don't have to do all the box cards the same. It's a little bit of a lighter powder, kind of a more sandy. And just kind of, flick dash like you're polishing a shoe. Not even polishing, you're literally just dusting it. Okay, like you're dusting. See how it covers our decals. Now, again, that decal glare you see is going to go away once I put the sealer on there. You'll never see it. Okay. So I said, "Oh no, you're covering up the graffiti." I'll tell you what, the sealer will actually soak up some of that. So now we've got, if you look, you see the piping in there. You've got that metal sheen look. Also on the ribs, also covering up your decals, and a couple of coats of sealer. It looked like one complete car. All right, that's my weathering tip. All right.